Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to share Crunchyroll account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So the best way to share a Crunchyroll account with friends is to use a feature called Share Play, which requires all the participants to have the Crunchyroll app and be a premium member. Alternatively, you can use Teleparty to host a watch party, and Crunchyroll also allows multiple users to stream simultaneously from different devices, especially with the Mega Fan plan, which supports four simultaneous streams. So this way you can simply share your Crunchyroll account, which requires just your Crunchyroll app on all devices, premium membership for the account owner, and all the participants. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.